thumbnail.
Woof.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, by the title, you could tell that I'm cleaning out my closet. I was trying to hold this off because I've done like back-to-back kind of big videos. Like it took a long time to film and edit those, and I didn't want to do one again, but it's getting hot. Oh my god. I can't like do anything until I like tackle this. My closet's a mess. It's pretty small. It's like kind of a walk-in, but that's kind of it. That's as much as I could go in because I have this like plastic dresser thing from Walmart. Yeah, so I have a lot of clothes and I'm like kind of tired of it. My closet is completely full, literally like piling up to the top almost, and I have a whole basket, like my hamper of dirty clothes is completely full and I can't wash those because I don't have space to put them away. And then I also have a hamper of clean clothes that I just washed that I can't put away. So in other words, I have too many clothes. I am trying to be mindful though that obviously we're in a pandemic and I haven't been wearing a lot of these. Because of that, I also have to be mindful that it's Texas and it's like not cold all the time, but when it is cold, I will need like these stuff. Because in the past, when I've like cleaned out my closet, I'm like, I don't need these sweaters, and I get rid of all of them and I have to go buy more. So yeah, I'm rambling, I think. Let's get into it. So I don't have a technique for this. I'm not going to be trying everything on. I'm just going to like show you and be like, I'm going to donate this. I just thrifted this. I'm in love with it. Obviously, I'm keeping it. Sorry, I'm just admiring it. I've never done something like this before. I do like these when I ride my bike, but I honestly forgot I own them. I literally just thrifted these this year. I do that a lot where I'll like I'm an impulse buyer. Yeah, I'm gonna try and shell those. Oh, these I already just decided. I think some of the stuff on top of there I already decided. This is gonna be a sell/donate because actually probably most likely sell. I loved these, but I'm just like over them. They're so cute though. Did I mention that I wanted to do like an archives pile of stuff that I'm like not ready to get rid of? This is probably like bad, but like, you know how people are like, I found like this in these are like my mom's clothes from the 90s or something like that. Like, so I went to like keep them so like my cousin could be like in 20 years, yeah, these are my cousins from 2020, because in 20 years she'd literally be like my age. I don't know, keep them to pass them on or something like that. And these are like so cool. I just didn't get enough with time with them. These also, I was in love with these pants. I mean, I still am. They're so cool. These bright orange Dickies, I literally wore them all the time because I went through a phase where I literally was so obsessed with orange. Gosh, these are beautiful. And shorts too. I'm gonna keep these for now. Maybe I could wear them next summer. I literally wore these once over spring break, but like I just never got to wear them again because it was like spring break, then the world ended. These ones, I think I'm gonna donate. I don't care for them. This, keeping, obviously. I'm getting like tired. You guys, this video was originally like an hour and a half of footage and it sucked because I was trying to describe every single item. But don't worry, I fixed it and I'm so proud of myself. These have like sentimental value to me. I don't know if they do. Stopped wearing them because I literally spilled lipstick on them at literally the beginning of quarantine. And then I was like, maybe, I don't know, I just haven't worn them since then and they like shrunk or something. But I'm keeping it for sentimental value. And if the reason they're sentimental doesn't, like, if that becomes no longer relevant to me, I will let them go. Keep. Why did I yell? I literally have not gotten to wear this, you guys. I bought this. Hold on. I bought this because obviously it's cool. It's like this vest. And you could wear it, you could wear it as a top. And I was like, oh my god, when I was like planning on going to the rodeo, I was like, I could wear this. And guess what? The rodeo got canceled. These I honestly want to get rid of. I literally never wore these, I think. They're like really, really short. Oh, they fit me so well though. They're American Apparel. But like this pattern, what is that? I'm not sure about this one. I do this thing where I'm like, oh my god, that would be the perfect occasion to wear this, and it's like something weird. This shirt, if I ever go play golf, I could wear this and I'd be like, yeah, I'm just playing golf, or like tennis. Okay, you guys, I'm a little bit like sniffy because, I found a box in my garage and sorted through that, and it of course had dust on it, in it, and everything, so. But we're gonna get through this closet situation. Oh, I also got more hangers. Okay, let's just get into it. So these three are like slip nighty nightgown dresses that I will sometimes wear out. Not this one. This is straight up a muumuu. I also have not worn these out. I'm actually keeping those. I'm gonna put them down there. I might as well take all the dresses out. Guys, look how many dresses I have. I can't even carry them all. These are moms from high school. I'm from Texas. These are homecoming moms. This one's from middle school. Okay, we're gonna start with these longer dresses because that's what's right here. Spoiler alert, I actually ended up keeping all of these dresses, literally every single dress, and I just went on and on talking about them, so oops. I wore this to Christmas a few years back, and I'm keeping it only so I could wear it to Christmas, not this year, maybe next year, maybe the year after. Hopefully I'll have the same hair so everyone will be like, you look like an 80s supermodel. And then this one for Thanksgiving, not this year, maybe next year, maybe the year after, but I'm going to hem it because it gives me like mod 60s, 70s vibe, which is what kind of a lot of my style is. Y'all, I'm keeping this, and once I finally wear it, that will be, no, I have no idea. I love this so much. And I haven't gotten to wear it. It's from Princess Polly. And I got it literally pre-pandemic, and I was like, I should wear this on a picnic. And I went on a picnic, and I did not wear this. And then I was like, okay, it's okay. Like, I'll have all this time too, like in the summer. Pandemic. Literally, I'm keeping all of them. I have a problem with dresses. Jackets. I think I'm keeping all of them because I've kind of already gone through all of this. This raincoat though, I'm not sure if I want to keep it, but like, do I want to keep this? It's so soft and cozy, so yeah. So I also have this rain jacket. That's why I wanted to get rid of this one, but it also has sentimental value. Do you want to hear the story? Okay, you don't have to. I love jackets, you guys. I feel like I'm keeping like everything. Yeah, I love dresses and jackets, even though jackets, I live in Texas, as I've mentioned, and it just doesn't really get that cold, so kind of an interesting thing. Okay, I think we're just gonna do like a speed round with these shirts. Keeping, it was gifted. Oh my god, keeping, so cute. Keeping, because I love these turtlenecks. This is my favorite button-down shirt. I'm not sure about this. I think I'm actually going to donate. Every time I think about getting rid of this, I end up keeping it. Keep. Archive. Keep. Oh, I don't know about this. I took this from my mom. No, that's embarrassing. That's funny. I think I'm gonna donate / sell this. I took this from my mom because I thought this was like so cute, but it would only be cute with low-rise jeans, so keep. Actually, these I kind of do want to get rid of. These cardigans, actually I think I want to keep this one and get rid of this, just because I think I could do better. Donate. I was gonna keep this, but I decided to donate this because it was my style at one point, like oversized, oopsie, stuff like that, or like tying it up, which I still really love that look. Keep. My first thing from Free People. And this is also from Free People. Keep. It reminds me of being like a kindergarten teacher. I'm very particular. This is a turtleneck. I love turtlenecks. Great for layering, blah, blah, blah. But this is an airy one that's like very, very loose. And I just don't really like that. I want my turtlenecks to fit tight. Keep and keep. I always get questions about this. Keep. Oh my god, these had matching pants. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. They're right there. This I'm archiving. Okay. Because this is a Harley Davidson shirt. I'm really not in my Harley Davidson phase anymore. Or maybe I am. I just don't really care for the fit of this. It's kind of like loose. And as I said, I'm wearing literally a loose t-shirt. Every time I try and wear it, I'm like, no. Oh, but the reason I want to keep it is because I've had so many Harley Davidson stuff. And a lot of the t-shirts will say like what city it's from. And this one's from Austin. And I've never even found one from Texas before. So this was a big deal. I'm going like crazy. And then these were the other ones that I already did. Okay, pants. Keeping these pants because if I ever go play golf, those pants, the skirt, I'll wait until springtime next year. It's so cute. Same with this. I'll wait until springtime. If I don't wear it, then you fired. These I actually think I might donate. I'm sorry. Sell. They're Princess Polly, and I wore them a few times, and they're like really cute, but they kind of just fit me awkward. Like, bro, I have too many hangers now. Oh my god. But it's okay, because I want to buy more clothes. Even though I don't have space, but I will one day. Keeping all these, I think. That's it, you guys. I'm like so tired. Oh my god, this should be the thumbnail. Yeah, you guys. God, no, there's too many hangers. Don't worry, you guys. One day, mark me words. One day I'm gonna have a bigger closet. I also have so many purses too, but I've already kind of gone through those. I did it. I'm gonna be putting these away while I talk to y'all. So that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it inspired you to clean out your closet. Check out my Depop this next coming week for any of these items. If you don't see anything, it's either because I'm lazy. Yeah, follow me on my other social medias that I don't use. Thank you so much for watching.